Okay. All right, Chairman. Unfortunately, we are not able to continue. Allow us to tie with. I want to hear from Maurice as you close this. And Maurice, because for the sake of your chairman says, the chairman of Agriculture says that the government has to be allowed time to implement the plans. And for 11 months, there has been collection of affordable housing levy. There has been an interruption of like 1 or 2 months. Would you know how much has been collected so far and where it is, so that we can settle this question?
Thank you very much. On the housing levy, as you are aware, the law was amended. We have a new law that took effect from last month.
Yeah.
As at that time, you had collected a amount 60 billion.
60 billion?
Yeah, about 60 billion. But now the collection for last month, I don't have the figures yet.
Sorry, you collected 60 billion by which month?
By the month, January.
By January?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. So by the cost,
Okay, so in your closing remarks, this is the contribution to this conversation. Would you read that into me?
First of all, I've got to say that information that's engagement. This proposal, and I expect that actually the action is not the authority of national development. They will decide what will be passed or not. So if it's passed, it's an implement of the law, of course, KRA will implement what to the extent that it's been implemented. This bill is actually not good enough. I don't know whether it was deliberate.
All right.
Yeah.
Lakini Wakenya wanataka kuzungumzia hayo maswala manake ni yale ambayo yanawagusa.
Yeah, but it's sometimes good to give compliments where
na ndio maana serikali iko hapa, mngekuwa na uwezo wa kutaja hayo mambo na hamjafanya hivyo.
You never gave us the chance.
Ilikuwa na nafasi kubwa sana, lakini
I can give you 30 seconds.
I need to public and even for you as the media. Government its revenue from 4 areas: grant, investment, loans. Of these 4 areas, loans are very expensive. Then leaves the government with the opportunity of only taxes, which is less expensive. And when the sources are expensive, it doesn't mean that the actual is expensive to the government. It is the people who actually repay those loans. So we need to take that into consideration as we discuss tax issues, that we are leaving the government with only the alternative of going for loans. And it is the same people that will pay those loans.
All right.
And the last item, sorry for this.
Yeah.
A lot of things have been said about tax incentives. Give incentives here, give incentives there. What I would like to say is this: incentives has the problem of creating distortions and also unfairness within the economy. Is that the way we want to go? If that is the way we want to go, then the issue that was mentioned at the very beginning of this discussion, the issue of fairness, equity, and neutrality of the tax system, will lose it.
All right.
And it will still bring the same problems that we are talking about.
All right. Thank you so much, Maurice Oray from the Kenya Revenue Authority Deputy Commissioner, but also sits at the National Treasury. Also, Dr. Kanyuthia Mutunga, Chairperson of the Agriculture Committee. Thank you so much for making time for us. And just remind you that we had extended invitations to different offices, including the National Treasury, who are the originators of this finance bill, and also the budget 2024-2025.